Hi, my name's Dr. Louisa Chan. I'm a doctor working with Hampshire and Isle of Wight Air Ambulance. Today we're going to be talking about my flight suit. So as you can see, it's bright orange. It comes as a two-piece, so I've got trousers and a jacket. Some of the external features that you might immediately notice are the reflective stripes on the arms and the legs. Other features are that it's flame retardant, and so that's one of the safety requirements in order to actually fly on the helicopter. So we work as a team, as a paramedic and a doctor, so it's really important that people understand what each of our roles might be. So I've got a name tag here on the front, and also on the back in reflective I've got a little doctor badge. You can see that on the pockets I have on the front here there are these white sheets. These are my knee boards. We often take notes as to timings of drugs, information about the patient, and I get to scribble on that with my Sharpie that's in a little pocket on the side. One of the most important parts of my uniform are these bits here. They're my knee pads. Quite often we're kneeling on the ground and it can get rough on the old knee, so these are specially padded so they're super comfortable. I've got a little belt and a belt loop with a holder for my radio. So you might be wondering what's inside my pockets. So let's have a look. My mobile phone, so I can keep in contact with the rest of the team and the desk. A head torch. I've got some scissors. These are super useful for getting rid of people's clothes. I'm sorry, people. A little paediatric guide, which helps me with drug doses and sizing of equipment for children. So these are specifically sterile gloves. Some of the surgical procedures that we do, we wouldn't want to introduce infection into a patient. Normal gloves, just to keep all the dirt and the muck away from me and away from the patient. I also carry these FFP3 masks, which are really important if where it seems for extrication, so it stops small particles from getting into my lungs. That's essentially all of the features of the flight suit. I hope you found this informative. If you've got any other questions, if you just refer to our website, there'll be more information there.